Long Beach home prices just dropped 9%, but at the same time, buyers are paying 3% more for every square foot. It sounds confusing, right? It doesn't make sense until you see what is really happening behind the scenes. The Long Beach housing market has flipped from being a seller's paradise to something completely different, and most people are missing out on the biggest opportunity in years. My name is Rick Lee with Real Broker, and in this video, I'm gonna walk you through what you need to know about the current Long Beach market. The inventory explosion, 45% more homes to choose from. If you've been looking for a house in Long Beach and felt like there's nothing available, well, that just changed in a big way. The LA and Long Beach area just saw listings jump 45% year over year. Think about it for a second. Buyers in Long Beach now have 27% more homes to pick from compared to last year. That is a huge difference. We are now at inventory levels we have not seen since 2019. That's a 22 straight month of year over year growth. The national market passed 1 million active listings for 3 months in a row in 2025. And when I show you the mortgage rates timeline in a few minutes, you will see why this big increase in inventory is showing up at the perfect time. It is the complete opposite of the shortage we have been struggling with for years. One thing you should keep in mind is that new construction is also adding to these numbers. Some of these projects will surprise you. The Golden Shores master plan could bring up to 1,370 condos with retail space, or it could be 1,100 condos with 400 hotel rooms. The new supply creates unique opportunities for different types of buyers. These are not small projects. They are reshaping the entire Long Beach housing market. A lot of people wonder if this increase in homes means prices are about to crash. The answer is not that simple, and it ties into something even more important than the number of homes available. Here's where it really gets interesting. Even with all these new options, the timing to close on a home has almost changed in most ways people are not expecting. If you're finding that this breakdown of the Long Beach market is helpful, do me a favor and hit the subscribe button. My team and I help people move to Southern California all the time, and we are tracking these shifts so you do not have to. Now let me walk you through the timeline change that is completely reshaping the game for both buyers and sellers. The days of instant offers and weekend bidding wars in Long Beach are gone, and the new timeline might actually work in your favor. The average time on market went from 35 days to 53 days. That is a 51.4% increase in how long homes are sitting before selling. In August 2025, 29% of the sellers had to cut their asking price. When more than a third of the sellers are dropping prices, you could tell that the market has shifted. Across the region, days on market jumped 60% compared to last year. Homes are now selling for 1 to 2% below the list price instead of above asking. And we will talk strategy in a few minutes. I will show you exactly how to use the shift to your advantage, whether you are buying or selling. This creates negotiating opportunities. I have not seen this before since before the pandemic. As a buyer, you now have time to fully inspect homes. You can ask for repairs, closing costs, even price reductions. Sellers are more willing to work with you because they know that there is not a line of buyers waiting right behind you. For sellers, it means you need to price your home right from the start. The old days of listing high and expecting multiple offers are not coming back. Buyers have options now, and they're taking advantage of them. But the biggest change is not just timing and inventory, and this is where it really matters for your wallet. What is happening with prices themselves is the part that most people are not talking about. What I'm about to show you about Long Beach home values could completely change how you see the market. Because while everybody's stuck on the 9% price drop, they're missing the real story. If you thought Long Beach prices only went up, this will change how you see things. Home prices dropped 9% to $827,500 in August 2025. It is the first big decline in years, and it surprised a lot of people. But hear this, even with overall prices going down, buyers are still paying over 3% more per square foot for homes that are in great shape. That tells us something important. The market is getting picky. Homes that are getting taken care of and are in good areas are keeping their value better than homes that need work or are not in the best spots. The California Association of Realtors is projecting a 4.6 statewide increase to $909,400 for the median. If we apply that to Long Beach, by the end of 2025, we could reach about $865,575. At first, this might seem to clash with a 9% drop, but when I walk you through the strategy behind it, you will see why it creates a very specific window of opportunity. Remember, markets do not move in straight lines. Premium neighborhoods are showing very different patterns. Belmont Shore and Naples have median listing prices around 1.6 to 1.7 million, up 19% to 33% for the last year. Los Altos is sitting around 1.05 million with a 2.2% annual growth. Downtown Long Beach is also seeing values rise thanks to redevelopment projects. What the headlines are not saying is that location matters more than ever. The increase in price per square foot means buyers who understand values are getting amazing deals on larger homes. This is a unique window that will not stay open for long. If you were priced out in certain neighborhoods before, this could be your chance. Buyers who recognize the price per square foot trend are finding some of the best value, especially on homes with more space for families. But here's what everything comes down to, and this could make or break your timing. The mortgage rate forecast I'm about to share may surprise you, because what will happen with rates in the next few months will shape everything. If you've been waiting for mortgage rates to drop before making your move, here is when it's supposed to happen. Right now in Q3 2025, rates are averaging between 6.65 and 6.74 according to the major housing authorities. By the end of 2025, projections show rates settling closer to 6.0 to 6.5%. The California Association of Realtors is forecasting the 30-year fixed mortgage rate to decline from 6.6% in 2024 down to 5.9% in 2025. The 2026 outlook shows rates holding steady around 5.9% to 6%, which is right in line with 2025 levels. That gives you a clear timeline to plan either a purchase or a refinance strategy. The lock-in effect that has kept current homeowners from selling is finally starting to break. A lot of homeowners have mortgage rates under 4%, and they have not wanted to give up those rates. As rates move down and equity grows, more sellers are going to feel comfortable making their move. And there is one economic factor that could either speed up or slow down these changes, and it is not what most people expect. The Federal Reserve makes policy decisions based on inflation, employment, and overall economic growth. The California non-farm job growth is expected to come in at 1.1% in 2025 compared to 1.5% in 2024. U.S. gross domestic product is also projected to slip 1.1% in 2025. These numbers matter more than rates than housing market activity itself. If inflation stays under control and unemployment remains steady, rates could drop faster than projected. But if the economy grows quicker than expected, rates may stay higher for longer. Whether you are buying or selling in Long Beach, this will shape everything about how you should approach the next 18 months. And the window for the best opportunity is smaller than most people think. For buyers, this is the best market we've seen in years. You now have 45% more homes to choose from compared to last year. You have negotiating power that did not exist when it was a seller's market. You have better options because sellers are pricing more accurately instead of starting with inflated prices. Homes are staying on the market longer, which gives you time to make thoughtful choices. For sellers, success now comes with precise pricing based on recent comparable sales. You need the greatest presentation to stand out with more homes available. Flexible terms are key for drawing in serious buyers. The homes selling fast are priced correctly and staged with strong marketing, including video and high-end photos. California's single-family home sales are projected to rise 10.5% to 304,400 units statewide. That means Long Beach is also set for more transactions as buyers and sellers adjust to the new market. The second half of 2025 is already shaping up very differently from the first half. The big inventory jump happened early, then prices adjusted. Mortgage rates are expected to decline in the second half of the year, and the smartest buyers and sellers are already positioning themselves for the shift. From my experience helping people move to Long Beach, knowing these 5 shifts makes all the difference. The people who understand them are not waiting for perfect conditions. They are using the conditions we have right now to their advantage. And that leads me to the final part of this puzzle. What does this all mean for your personal timeline? And how should you be thinking about your next move? Let me tie it all together for you. The Long Beach market is shifting fast, and if you know how to read these signals, you can take advantage of the opportunities most people are missing. Whether it's locking in before rates dip, negotiating while sellers are flexible, or targeting the neighborhoods that hold value, timing is everything. I'm Rick Lee with Real Broker. If Southern California is on your radar, send me an email at rickjleehomes@gmail.com, and me and my team would love to guide you through every step. Don't wait. the best opportunities go fast. And before you go, check out my video on how Long Beach compares to Huntington Beach. I cover the differences in lifestyle, commute, and home values. It's linked here on the screen so you can check it out. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you on the next one.